Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. We are here at CU Mart, as you can see behind me. We are going to do a Korean food review. And today we have our special guest joining us for this challenge. We have...
Hello everyone, I'm Kelly and I'm a Korean teacher at HH Center. Nice to meet you.
So our challenge today is actually we have a budget of around 100 ringgit to 150 ringgit for us to spend here, and we'll try and find as much Korean food as we can lah. Ooh.
Wow,
Roasted.
goguma. This is called goguma.
Oh, have you tried this? I think there's a trend where they eat this with kimchi.
Oh yeah. And then they are selling
I'll try
like
this
sliced
one.
kimchi also. Tteokbokki. Maybe we can try tteokbokki. This one we can try.
It is so So we are here at Kepong Metropolitan Park in Korea. There's a lot of parks that they can visit, especially the famous one is the Hanggang Park.
Hanggang Park is most famous park in Korea. Yeah, I used to go very often, almost every weekend. We can just go for a short walk, or we can also ride a bike, and we can like do picnic with our friends.
Wow. So just like Hanggang Park, we have many beautiful parks in Malaysia as well, including Kepong Metropolitan Park itself. We're going to start reviewing the Korean food that we got from the CU Mart just now. First one, I think we should start with the drink first because I think the ice is melting already. Calamansi and this one, right?
Right.
So this one is peach lychee 8.
When we feel really hot during summer, we love to drink 8.
Alright, and then I got blue lemonade ice. We can pair it with Milkies, and let's try it out together. Wow, it looks... Do you think it's good, Sam, this one?
I think it will taste quite nice.
Okay.
Let's see.
Calamansi and also...
Right.
You want to try first?
Yeah, I want to try. I was very thirsty, so... It's so refreshing. It's sweet, but not very sweet, so I think it's quite good for me.
This is how it looks like.
The color looks so nice.
How do we cheers in Korean?
We can say 짠.
Chan.
Okay, we can just say 짠.
1, 2, 3. Chan.
짠. Okay, we'll try. 맛있어요. Very good.
At first, it has a little bit of aftertaste, but then once you drink some more, it actually tastes quite refreshing.
It's a bit sour for me, but it's something very unique, and I've never tried this kind of flavor before.
Let's try the tteokbokki, Sam. So this is my tteokbokki, the one that I chose in CU Mart just now.
Since I'm not a huge fan of spicy food, I choose this one, and it seems to be very creamy and chewy, so I want to see.
You can see the difference between our tteokbokki.
It's a bit spicy, but it's not to that level, so I can stand the spiciness.
It's spicy, but it's that kind where you want more. I feel like taking another bite, but then it's too spicy for me.
Okay.
Well, it's bigger, definitely bigger, and the sauce is not too intimidating. Okay, let's go. Cheers. It has a little bit of spice, but mostly creamy, and it's really, really good.
For me, what I like about this is the tteokbokki itself is very chewy, so it's not very hard and it's not too soft. So I think it's really good for those who love to eat tteokbokki.
Yep. I think maybe we can try the toast now. It's tuna, and there's a layer of cheese here. The tuna is okay, but I think the cheese made it a little bit too salty, at least for me.
For me, like the cheese flavor is like too strong, and then it makes me a little bit too greasy. So maybe this one is not very like my type.
Let's move on to the next food. We have 3 types of fries here. We have 1 bento and another 2 kopap is like rice in the cup. This is Jeonju beef, gochujang Kimbap.
We should mix it with
Mix
the
it.
sauce. Maybe I can explain you a little bit about Jeonju bibimbap because Jeonju is one of the region in Korea and it's very well known for hanok, which is a Korean housing, and also very well known for bibimbap. So Jeonju bibimbap is one of the most famous bibimbap in Korea. Some of Koreans, they really love to eat kopbap because everything is it's just inside the cup. So it's so easy to eat.
The gochujang also smells so good actually. The beef is like thin slice, so it's really easy to eat. The beef is so tender and it's like melting in your mouth.
As a Korean, I love this bibimbap because I can like feel the vegetables and the mixture of meat. It's so like well balanced.
As you can see, I took more than one bite, so it's a good sign. As for rating, probably an 8, a solid 8, because I can see myself eating this for lunch.
Oh, even for me, same.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So this is 양념 chicken and potato kopbap. They
let me
put the rice first and then they change the ingredients. Can call it like toppings.
Oh, but this one, I can see the mayo, more mayo there.
This is not very authentic Korean style, but maybe it's more of like Malaysian and Korean mixed.
A little bit of the rice and the
And
veggie,
then veggie
and
and
then the chicken. Let's have the first bite.
for me, I like Jeonju bibimbap more.
This one is a little bit sweeter because of the mayonnaise maybe. And the corn, it adds more sweet to the bibimbap. Maybe the combination of the potato and the chicken. There's a lot of breading also on the chicken. But of course, we tasted the beef, the beef version before. I prefer the beef one as well.
For me, the chicken chunks were a little bit hard for me. And then maybe when they were trying to mix with potato, I thought that it's not a very good combination. So I would rather eat the authentic Jeonju bibimbap.
On to the next one, we have the bento box.
Bento is actually Japanese. So for this, we call it as doshirak.
Doshirak.
Doshirak is a Korean word. And then they have put the sticky rice with a little bit of black sesame, 계란말이. 계란말이 is like a rolled scrambled egg. Beef, I think it's bulgogi. And then for those who like the spicy one, they have put the 닭갈비 as well.
Let's put it here.
Looks good.
This one is with the bulgogi, kimchi and rice. The kimchi is very nice. The bulgogi has quite a strong flavor. Let's try the chicken. The 닭갈비 is so good, but so spicy.
For me, I like 닭갈비 because the meat was quite soft. But for bulgogi, even though it looked quite good outside, but when I tasted, I kind of felt that it's a little bit hard.
Yes, I think it's quite surprise for me as well because I thought I'm going to like the bulgogi more. But actually, the 닭갈비 is very good. Let's try the kimbap first.
Kimbap.
Let's go for tuna kimbap first. It looks good, full of tuna.
Wow.
Let's try, guys. Cheers.
맛있어.
The tuna flavor is there and it's not overpowering the veggies. We can still feel the crunch of the carrots and the other veggies as well.
Because I'm a huge fan of kimbap. And when I was teaching at university back in Korea, I used to have this kimbap for my lunch. So at that time, I always choose this tuna kimbap.
Let's try the next one. It's quite scary because the rice is actually red. I think there's just mozzarella cheese in here and then rice. And they coat the rice with...
Is this egg or radish?
I think it's cheese, Sam. I think it's the mozzarella stick cheese.
So when I saw it, they said that it's mocha tteokbokki kimbap. So it's supposed to taste like tteokbokki. So maybe it's not as spicy as like a 불닭볶음면. But still, I feel there is something missing because there are not many ingredients. They're just focusing on the little bit of spiciness and then cheese.
For me, I think when I saw the packaging, it says buldak. So my expectation, it would be like, it's going to be super spicy. But it's actually not that spicy. I think the 닭갈비 is even spicier. I saw a lot of people try the roasted sweet potato.
They eat a lot with kimchi. Especially this is for those who go on diet. So they really love this kind of like healthy snack.
Do we?
I didn't peel off. 괜찮아.
Sorry. Let's put it back. So sweet. Let's try with the kimchi.
It's good, right? In Korea, we eat sweet potato, especially in winter. Something like hot, warm, so we eat during the winter. And also we eat with reddish kimchi. Not the red one, but the reddish.
We have two snacks today. Okay, one is the sotong crackers and another one is pepero.
This one, we call it 오징어 집. So 오징어 means like sotong. And then 집 is like a home. So it has a very cute, like chubby shape of sotong.
Yeah.
Which we really like. Yeah, it's a shape of sotong.
It's sotong. Guys. Okay, let's try. I think it's pretty similar to our prawn cracker, crepe udang. But our prawn cracker is a little bit more dense than this one. This is more airy in terms of the texture.
So for Koreans, whenever we go on 소풍, which is picnic, we have to bring one or two like snacks. It's like a must. Our homeroom teacher will tell us like, oh, please bring one or two snacks. So that time I used to bring this. So it has my childhood memories.
Right. The next one, pepero.
It's like a #1 chocolate stick biscuits in Korea. And then they have different flavors. And then this one is actually the original one, which is the chocolate based. Oh, it melted.
Yeah, a little bit. That's fine. I got this, a chunk. Sam, what is the pepero day is about?
Pepero Day is 11th of November because as you can see, like it's 11/11/11/11, right? It just looks like a stick because this company made this Pepero Day. They made this tradition where you gift this pepero to your friends or your boyfriend or girlfriend. In my childhood, when I was going to school, in high school, if you have many pepero on your table, on your desk, that means that person is very popular.
Famous.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you have no pepero at all, then you'll be so depressed.
I'm sure your table is like.
아니에요, 아니에요.
Okay, let's try. Do you have a favorite flavor for pepero?
Nude pepero. It's like chocolate filled inside and outside it's just like
So the outer layer, there's no chocolate?
no chocolate.
So it's just biscuits?
yeah, just biscuit.
Oh, interesting. Sam, which one is your favorite out of all your purchase here?
Because I think I like most of them. But for me, 참치 김밥, tuna 김밥.
I think I like the rose tteokbokki more. But for tuna kimbap, you can eat it all the time. Breakfast, I think you can also eat it during dinner as well. So I think it's a good choice as well. What about the park, our setting here today, Sam? Do you feel home?
Actually, I was missing 한강 공원, 한강 Park so much. PD님 actually introduced this park for us today and I'm so impressed and I really feel like going for a jog.
I think that's it for today for this episode. I hope that in the future we could try more Korean food together as well.
오늘 이렇게 만나서 정말 반갑습니다. 오늘 처음으로 말레이시아 CU 편의점에 갔는데 음식이 너무 맛있었어요. 앞으로도 계속해서 저희 한국어와 한국 문화를 많이 사랑해 주세요. 감사합니다.
Thank you, everyone. See you again next time. 1, 2, 3.
Wait,
Okay.
sorry, the ant is going into the rice. Yeah.
Go away. I think it's pretty hard, but let's just. So hard. Please like and subscribe to our channels as well.